Experience the transformation of any room with our stunning rose-designed crystal chandelier. This installation guide showcases our premium Maso lighting fixture, featuring beautiful translucent rose petal designs encircling the chandelier. Brilliant crystal droplets creating a gold-finished framework in twisted fabric. Multiple size options to fit spaces from 10 square meters. This video demonstrates the complete installation process of our most popular crystal chandelier model. Perfect for dining rooms, living spaces, and elegant entryways, these fixtures provide both ambient and decorative lighting.